How to install Google Meet. Look for a Play Store or an App Store on your cell phone. Just click Install. Wait for about 15 to 20 seconds to download. Open the Google Meet. Allow Meet to take pictures and record audio. Sign in using your Google account. During the meeting, turn off your audio or microphone and your webcam. Enter the meeting code. Reminder not to click the present button. You can unmute the microphone if you are allowed to speak. You can use the chat box to ask questions to the speaker. Or just click on the messenger and then look for the link, click on it, then it will turn you to the gmeet application. Again, turn off your microphone and your webcam.